post, Jolene. Strategic flexibility. When I think of it, I always think of it as the capability of someone to respond to major changes that take place in an external environment by committing the resources necessary to respond to those changes. Something that happened to me pretty recently is I was switching jobs, and in my interview, the AVP in the interview picked up a shoe, and he said, "Sell me this boot." And it kind of caught me off guard because I wasn't expecting it to have to sell him a shoe. But with prior knowledge and experience that I've had, or my strategic flexibility, I was able to kind of gather myself and sell them the shoe. And 4 or 5 months later, I'm now in that position at that new company selling for them. So I don't think if I didn't have that strategic flexibility or creativity to adapt, I don't think I would have got the job. But great video. I think you made some very valid points, and I like your example of the job interview, because it's definitely something to where they try to throw you a curveball and get you off guard. So, yeah, great post.